Ever trip a breaker the moment you kick on your RV's AC unit? Yeah, nothing like frying in a campground parking lot while everyone else runs theirs just fine. Well, today we're fixing that with something called a SoftStart. So you're probably asking, what does a SoftStart do? Well, let me tell you. Your air conditioner compressor normally gulps down 40 to 60 amps for just a split second. That means you can run your AC from smaller generators, 30 amp hookups, or even inverters without ever blinking out. A SoftStart takes that jolt and smooths it out, so the compressor eases on instead of punching your breaker in the face. Real quick, if this is helping you not to trip your 30 amp like it's on its last straw, just hit subscribe so you don't have to search that one dude with the dog again later. Okay, back to it. Now, before you ever go and mess with anything electrical, even checking where your SoftStart ties into, always turn your power off. Doesn't matter if it's shore, generator, or inverter, off is off. And this is the nervous system of Romstead. Let me tell you something. I had a neurologist come over here the other day, and when he saw how close and tight these quarters were, he got real nervous. Your air conditioner compressor normally gulps power like Charlie stealing food off of my plate. Benefits. For me, it means I can camp almost anywhere. No trip breakers, no angry neighbors, and a quieter startup that won't scare Charlie. That's how a SoftStart keeps us chill whenever we roam. Power's back on, and I'm just sitting here enjoying some nice cool air. I'm Hoss from Bark Side of the Road. Keep your rig cool, keep your patience glowing, and don't forget your socks and Crocs.